All right, guys, so today was like the craziest, windiest day, but let's go out there or out here and play a quick few holes. The wind's dying down a little bit, but we're still going to have to contend with it. So we're just going to hit a high wood, leave ourselves a long way into this slope green. I didn't hit that very well, but we're not in a creek. So get up there and see what we got. Okay, so we got a little roll out there. See what we have left. Back pin 173. We definitely can't go past this flag. Wind's helping a little left to right. Just gonna have to hit it under the hole and hit a 6 hybrid. That's what we're gonna do. .173, wind helping. Definitely can't get all the way there with the 6 hybrid, but anything on the green, give ourselves an opportunity to 2-putt. We can't risk going past that pin. Gonna need a bounce. All right, we're okay. Okay, guys, so this ball landed. Couldn't really see the ball mark, it's so firm, but I think it landed released about 20 feet or so. Uphill, right to left. Go, go. Move on. Okay, so I'm going to get from the tee box to the flag here so we know how far we hit this. This is strong right to left wind. We've got 318 yards to the flag. Wind's blowing right to left. Okay, guys, if you remember my playing in the wind video, maybe I'll link that to this video. If we shape the ball with the wind, it flies further. If we shape it against it, knocks it out of the sky. So I normally don't try to shape the ball too much, but off this tee shot, I will try to shape it right to left to get a little extra carry, see if we can pull that off. Worst case scenario, if we push it a little bit, it'll just knock it out of the sky and you still won't be in any trouble. You're gonna play it out to the right. I guess worst case scenario, we hit a duck hook, so we're left of the fairway. We put a tree branch in play that should never be in play. 85 yards. We're kind of shooting this right into the wind. There's nothing in front of me, so I'm just going to hit a little 9-iron, keep it under all the wind, and just try to bounce it up on the green. As long as I don't go long, I should have an easy opportunity at par. Sit. All right, just pulled it left, but a little past pin high. Big left to right breaker here. Kind of almost up by that leaf up there. Oh! Okay, guys, so this hole is downwind, 351. Wind makes this hole a lot easier. It's into the wind. Kind of have a tough time getting to that fairway. Downwind, no problem. Another one left. Gotta work on that, guys. I found a Callaway Warbird, guys. Put that in the shag bag. I got lucky. I thought I was a lot further left, but looks like it just kind of hit into this mound and stopped. Got 117. This wind is kind of blowing all over the place. Down and right, now it's down and left. I'm gonna hit a pitching wedge up there. All right, 116, wind helping. And again, from the wind video, we know that the wind carries the ball about half the amount that it hurts when you're against the wind, but it also takes the spin off, so that causes the ball to release a little bit more. So 117, pitching wedge, should be a pretty good club. Okay, so the wind was blowing down, right to left. I kind of erred a little bit on the right side and didn't really do much to it. All right, guys, so we landed here short of the pin a little bit. Ball released about 20 feet or so, a little to the left. Final hole here. Last 3 times I played this hole, I hit it left down in this little gully. So I'm gonna do all I can to prevent that this time. One little trick I have, the ball goes where your body goes. If I'm missing the ball left, I start to feel like my chest is pointing a little right through impact, and that can normally, as a short-term band-aid, get that hook out of play. So we're going to get our body going a little right this time to prevent hitting that hook down in that gully. We're in play. Okay, so we hit our little heel cut there, but it worked out. Kept it under the wind. Got 213, which is all we have, so I hit a 5-wood, get close as I can. All right, we're going to try a little pitch and run here. A 50-degree wedge. Wow. 25-footer, not exactly what we wanted for par.
Five holes to go, just play 13.